excited?
I'm so excited.
What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get shelving units, spice holders, and duvet covers.
There's all mine. Colin, you have a lot of friends and family.
Sociology with a minor in criminal justice. Wow. And then
Yeah, I'm gonna keep my sunglasses on because it's gonna be like a poker game. So this way, other shoppers will not see what I'm thinking about buying.
Yeah, right.
Do I look cross-eyed in these glasses? I can't tell. That's the beauty of it, exactly.
Gotta have a bag.
Yes, sir.
Basically, you just write down what you want.
This is a showroom, Pops.
It is.
This is where you look at things
Okay.
and you say, "Ooh, I like that," and then you go buy it.
Gotcha.
Make sure we get more pillows. We need more pillows.
I'm not getting more pillows. I'm getting covers to our pillows.
That's what she said. You know how many times I've heard Justin come look at this in the first 15 minutes? A lot. So Sarah,
Yes.
I've noticed most people here are actually looking at items,
Yes.
whereas you tend to look at the wall color. I don't think that's the motivation for today.
You
Just
don't
saying.
think so, Justin?
No, I think it's the furniture they want you to buy.
Well, if I start with wall color, then I can go to furniture.
Okay, I just don't think that's the intent. Wednesday, dinner with the Millers. I hate the Millers. We're out of the showroom and in the living room.
The showroom is fun.
I don't think Jerry likes the
He
camera.
can't help
Look at
himself.
him. Look at him run. So we came in as a family and that lasted for about 10 minutes. Now I have no idea where anybody is except for Tessa. I look around this store and I just see a bunch of broken men. Like really just broken. They've really done a nice job. I mean, everything looks really, really nice. But the true test of a new store is, personally, the bathrooms. So I'm gonna go do my best to put them to the test. I have to go to work, so we have to leave. Hi, we're in the kitchen faucet section. Where are you guys at? Oh, you're already outside. Dang, like everybody is? She says she's coming, but yet she keeps shopping. All right, bye. IKEA, the store that separates families. The promised land checkout section.
Man, I could just stay here. You should look at these cool lights. Those are cute.
We were gonna leave, but then that happened. So we got into the store like 3 hours ago, and we found Colin in his natural environment.
40% off.
Look at Colin. Are you participating?
No, actually, we'd like to.
Okay. And then there is exactly what you were discussing.
Listen, Linda.
But it's a different color.
No.
Different lighting.
Different light.
Okay, here's the question. How much did Tessa spend today? Over under, kids. I'm gonna say the over under at 150. Pick over, pick under. What's the grand total?
248.88.
248.88.
I'm worth it.
No IKEA. Thank you. Say bye, IKEA.
Bye, IKEA.
Thanks for nothing.
Thanks for everything.